Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all dear students of class 3. This is your lesson number 15. Its week number is 3 of phase number 3. Today is 27th July 2020 and the day is Monday. This video lesson is presented to you by Pakistan Overseas Higher Secondary School and Duftarane Millat Higher Secondary School Mandir, having a great vision and mission. Our message of the week is हदीस मुबारका है खैरुकुम मन तअल्लमल कुरआन व अल्लमहु। तर्जुमा है, तुम में से बेहतरीन लोग वो हैं जो कुरान करीम सीखते और दूसरों को उसकी तालीम देते हैं। इस मैसेज से हमें ये सीखने को मिलता है कि हमने कुरान मजीद खुद भी सीखना है और दूसरों को भी इसकी तालीम देनी है, क्योंकि ऐसे लोग बेहतरीन लोग हैं जो कुरान को सीखते और दूसरों को भी सिखाते हैं। Let's start our lesson. Areas to be done in this video lesson are: there is a question number 6 on your summer pack of week number 3. Choose and write the words to join the sentences. After that, we shall read a reader, unit number 11, The Foolish Crow. Then we will revise the word meaning of unit number 6, Swedish Party. So first of all, let's do our question number 6. Choose and write the words to join the sentences. We are given some words: that, when, yet, but, because. Now we have to put one of them one by one into the following blanks. First blank is: Farah is 8 years old dash her brother is 9 years old. We put here but. Farah is 8 years old but her brother is 9 years old. Second blank is: we are walking on the street dash a thief snatched our purse. We put here when. We are walking on the street when a thief snatched our purse. Third blank is: Sarah writes English essays well dash her mother taught her. Here is the reason, so we put because here. Sarah writes English essays well because her mother taught her. They said dash they were coming to our home. Mostly that comes after said. So they said that they were coming to our home. The last blank is: I was ready to give my speech dash the teacher had not arrived. We put here the last word yet. I was ready to give my speech yet the teacher had not arrived. So we have done our question number 6. Now you have to write this question carefully on your summer pack. Here is a quotation for a reader. Today a reader, tomorrow a leader. So you have to read books to improve your reading, pronunciation and vocabulary. So reader of our this video lesson is unit number 11, The Foolish Crow, at the page number 64. Here is our unit number 11, The Foolish Crow. Let's start the reading of this lesson of page number 64. The Foolish Crow. This story is about a crow that lived in a forest. He lived among peacocks, sparrows, parrots, and pigeons. The crow looked at all the birds around him. and thought, how beautiful all these birds are. I am so black and ugly. I wish my feathers were colorful just like the peacock's. The crow's friend said, you are beautiful as you are. Do not try to be like others. But the crow was still not happy. He could not think of anything to be proud of. So here is a message for you. प्यारे बच्चों, इसमें हमें क्या मैसेज मिल रहा है इस पैराग्राफ में? डू नॉट ट्राई टू बी लाइक अदर्स, कि दूसरों की तरह बनने की कोशिश मत करें. आप जैसे हैं आप वैसे ही प्यारे हैं और अच्छे हैं. सो दूसरों की तरह बनने की कोशिश मत करें. ये ना हो कि आप दूसरों की तरह बनते बनते अपना कोई नुकसान कर बैठे. वन डे all the birds decided to have a competition for choosing the most beautiful bird amongst them. The sparrow was made the judge for the competition. It was decided that the most attractive bird will be selected as the king of the birds. What is the title? King of the birds. When the crow heard of this competition, he could not resist the wish to become king of the birds. He wanted everyone to praise and appreciate him. Then he thought, I must do something to look attractive and beautiful. To fulfill his desire, the crow made a plan. He decided to collect the feathers of all the colorful birds in the jungle. Dear students, we have done our reading of page number 64. The remaining reading we shall do in the next video lesson, inshallah. Now it's time to revise your words meaning of unit number 6, Swedish Party, that we had done in our last two videos. So the first word is delicious. Meaning is tasty. Wiped, mixed, crushed, mashed. Cheer, hurrah. Simple, basic. Neighborhood, next door person. Siblings, brother or sister. Speechless, shocked. Gather, collect. Dessert, sweet. Ingredients, hearts. Pour, to fill something with liquid. Pretty, beautiful. We have just revised our words meaning. Now you have to learn these words meaning more accurately. Here is a diary for you. Write question number 6. Choose words to join sentences on your summer pack. And read unit number 11, The Foolish Crow, page number 64 from your book. This is your reader. And the revision test is unit number 6, Swedish party, words meanings, learn. I hope you all get your lesson very well. Please subscribe our YouTube channel POA Mantir. You can also contact us on WhatsApp. Here is the number. Take care and Allah Hafiz.